Well, a little bit of extra roll today. A little bit of a roly-poly-oly spot, I'd say. It's got to be very difficult to shower in a boat that's rocking this much.
Just a quick little test of these microphones. I don't know how they're going to work in the wind, but I should do. Oh, well, I have these little microphones. Very inexpensive on Amazon. Wearing one, see how well it works. So, got the wind at my back. Very windy day in Rarotonga. They got the ship running to keep everything pointed in the right direction. No anchors dropped. You can see the swells. Oh yeah. So I want to see how well this microphone does in the wind. Now we'll go into the wind. Ooh. So we're on the back of the boat on a roly-poly day. Haven't decided if we want to go to shore. We're both quite exhausted from a wonderful day yesterday. Wait, we're in the smoking section. Neither one of us smoke, so. But you can't smell it. So that's good. It is quite the windy, wavy day. The breakers are quite insane. Although I'd love to be on the beach over there. I can see some sandy beach way off in the distance inside of the lagoon they got over there. A little tiny skiff way out there. You'll never see it on a GoPro. Yeah, you can barely see it without a GoPro. Come up, have some tea, and just enjoy the morning. Oh, hey, look, there's a guy with a camera.
De Rarotonga, we are very lucky this afternoon because we received a local troupe dance, so they will offer a performance of traditional dance from the Cook Islands, so it's a good way also to say goodbye to the Cook Islands before we reach the Society Islands.
From the beautiful island of Rarotonga. It is customary in the Cook Islands that we open with a kariki chant by one of our warriors. And then we will bring our beautiful maidens on stage for a fantastic drum dance from the island of Aitutaki, where you visited yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Akirata.
Mesdames et messieurs, applaudissez pour Akirata.
Next up we travel north, we go to our beautiful island of Black Pearls, the island of Manihiki, with a boys' drum dance.
I thought we've been food up every night.
Oh, let's fix it. Yeah, she would have had like a hour and a half.